In this episode of Andreas Does Art, I did a rotoscope for my buddy Tendrils. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Andreas, and as you know, I do art. We're here in the final days of the studio, kicking it real time. So today we have a very special episode for you. That's right, you. I did a rotoscope for my buddy Tendrils. That's right, you know him, you love him. He's the man behind the music. Rotoscoping is super cool. Basically, it's the process of taking a real life action video and drawing frame by frame over top of it to create an animation based off of the video. So took a video of my face and animated into this little cartoon face dude. So check it out, yo. So as you can see, we're not in the studio. We're in my room, actually, at my little at-home office. But yeah, let's get into it. First things first, we got to record the video we're going to use to rotoscope. That's going to be of my fucking head. Yeah, that's right. So let's record that. Today we got the Wacom tablet, and we got this pen. That's what we're going to be using to draw this with. I'm doing this on Adobe Animate, part of the Creative Cloud suites. Woohoo, baby! So first thing we're going to do is upload this little video. We got our video in, looking good. How many fucking frames are we working with? All right, we're working with about 3,000 frames that we're gonna draw over top of. What we're gonna do first is just go through and get an outline of each frame. Then we're gonna go in and add some color. That should be it. That should be a wrap. Just do that 3,000 times. Frame number 1, outline. Frame number 2, outline. Number 3. But you know, right here being on frame 5 out of 3,000. Woo-wee! This is what it's all about. This is it. Honestly, this video might get weird just because, well, you'll see. Tendrils, here we go. So it's gonna be my face, but it's actually gonna be Tendrils' face. We are, oh boy, what are we, 10 frames in? Only 2,090 left to go. Probably be a week-long project, but I think I'm gonna give him little stick figure arms and legs. Oh my god, what the hell just happened there? The only thing I hate about this pen is they put these fucking buttons right where you hold it, and these buttons are crucial to fucking up your work. Those buttons should not be there. It's not a big deal, but it's fucking annoying. So yeah, it's a big deal. There goes that fucking button, you son of a bitch. Man, we're days on days in. I don't even know how many days it's been. Completely lost track of time, existence. I don't even know what anything is anymore, but we're getting close. The rotoscope, what you've all been waiting for. Bam, here it is, yo.
Fuck it up.
really what I've been waiting for, because I have been drawing this shit for days, dude. Hours and days and days and hours. And yeah, that was super fun to work on. I think that's the right word. It was a process for sure, drawing every single frame out, but it came out super dope. I'm stoked with it. It's cool doing these projects for people like Tendrils, because it's something that I wouldn't have done without him asking me to do it. And now because he did, I did it, and here we go. The video turned out pretty sick. I'm pretty stoked on it. Thanks for checking it out, y'all. To the studio. It's been a wild ride.